Tea by the sea. Leah and Bee sip tea. They sit by the sea. The waves are calm. Leah sees a bee. Leah and Bee smile with glee.
The pie and the tie. Ned has a pie. The pie is sweet. Ned wears a tie. He eats the pie. Ned and his tie enjoy the pie.
The cow and the bow. A cow finds a bow. The bow is red. The cow wears the bow. She feels proud. The cow and her bow wow the crowd.
Lou's soup. Lou makes soup. The soup is hot. She stirs it well. Lou sips the soup. Lou and her soup are happy.
Roy's toy joy. Roy has a toy. The toy is a boy. The boy can walk. Roy plays with joy. Roy and his toy have fun.
The rainy day. Gail sees the rain. It falls on the lane. She wears a raincoat. Gail jumps in a puddle. Gail and the rain play all day. The green tree. Reed plants a seed. The seed grows into a tree. The tree is green. Reed loves the tree. Reed and the tree enjoy the shade.
The bread on the head. Fred carries bread. He puts it on his head. The bread falls down. Fred laughs aloud. Fred and the bread play around.
The boiling pot. Joy boils water. She adds some oil. The pot bubbles up. Joy makes soup. Joy and the pot cook well. The show and the glow. Joe goes to a show. The lights glow bright. He sees a clown. The clown juggles high. Joe and the glow enjoy the show.